In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ship internationally with Shippo. Whether you run an online store or you're sending a one-off package, I'll walk you through exactly what to set up, what to enter, and how to get your label and documents ready so your shipment clears customs smoothly. Start by logging in to Shippo. If your order is already synced from your store, head to Orders. If not, create a manual shipment. When you're ready, click Create Label. Choose your sender address from your saved addresses, then enter the recipient's full international address. Make sure it's formatted the way the destination country expects, including postal code and any apartment or suite details. Small mistakes in city or province names can cause delays, so double-check before moving on. Next, add the package details. Enter the parcel's weight and dimensions exactly as it will ship. Weigh it after packing and measure the exterior of the box or mailer. Accurate numbers help Shippo generate the correct shipping rates and can prevent unexpected charges from carriers. Because this is an international shipment, you'll need to provide customs information. Click Add Customs Item and declare what's inside. Give a clear, specific description: the quantity, the value per item, the item weight, and the country of origin. Avoid vague words like stuff or gift. For example, cotton t-shirt or stainless steel water bottle is much better. Choose the appropriate content type, such as merchandise, gift, or sample, depending on what you're sending. Make sure the value reflects what the items are actually worth. Undervaluing can lead to customs delays or returns. After you've entered the address, parcel, and customs details, Shippo will display available international shipping options. You'll see carriers and service levels with their rates and estimated transit times. Compare speed, tracking, and any service notes, then select the option that best fits your needs. When you're satisfied, confirm and buy the label. Now it's time to print. Download and print the shipping label, and also download the commercial invoice. Some carriers support paperless trade, which means the invoice is transmitted electronically. If that's available, Shippo will indicate it. If not, print the invoice and attach it according to the instructions provided. Affix the shipping label securely on a flat surface so the barcode is scannable. Finally, drop the package off at the carrier's location or schedule a pickup if that service is available. Keep your tracking number handy and monitor the progress. That's it. Your international shipment is on its way with Shippo.